welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and today we're going to talk about some recent mistakes I've made in a recent video. Totally screwed things up and thought that the Melt Lash Remover was mascara because I had the mini and I took it out of the box thinking, I didn't even look at the box, quite honestly. I was in a hurry and I was like, chuck! And I pick up the little bottle and I looked at apparently the French side, which says waterproof mascara. If you look at the other side, and I should have noticed the off part of this, but I didn't. And underneath that, in little tiny print, it says remover. Didn't look at that either. I didn't look at any of it. So I'm like using it, and I'm like, this stuff sucks. This is the worst mascara ever. It's actually an excellent mascara remover. Yeah, my videos write themselves. So my moment of, oh my god. That's kind of funny to me that that happened. Whatever. And it's hilarious how I found out because I had no idea until literally the next day. I'm doing a Facebook Live and I'm talking to these women and I'm like, man, this mascara is like the worst. And I just was mentioning it passing. And they're like, no, that's not mascara. That's mascara remover. And I'm like, no, that's not. And they're like, yes, it is. And I pick it up and I look, I had the box still. And so I look at the box and sure enough, it's mascara remover. So that was a great big oops. We all make them from time to time. It's okay. Another thing that's been going on that I wanted to talk to you guys about is I have a stalker troll person who actually went so far as to create a fake account in my name and then start commenting on other people's comments. Awful, horrible comments. Now I try to delete those as quickly as I see them because nobody needs to see that, and I like my channel to be all about positive energy and happy things. Even in my Makeup and Murder series, I tend to try to keep that on the lighter side. And this person, there's something wrong with this girl, and I know who it is. She actually has a YouTube channel herself. I have no idea why she's targeted me the way she has. I've never commented on one of her videos or talked to her or anything. I don't know what the problem is. It's not worth it to me to get into it. I am not about YouTube drama with other creators. I like to support other creators. Kristen Bertner, Beauty Riot X, As Told by Jenny. Excellent channels, go watch them. Stay away from people who have negative energy and like to put out negativity because it's just not worth it. There's tons of small creators out here who would love for your views to go to them, because it's really hard getting up in numbers and stuff. It's a struggle for all of us. So we do our best and try to support each other, and those creators who don't, I prefer to just ignore. And occasionally, because I am highly dyslexic, in one of my Makeup and Murders, I mispronounced Carol Ann Fugate's name as Carly Ann Fugate, because when I read it out, and I write my own scripts for everything, not really scripts, but facts, like have an outline, because I do write them myself and I am highly dyslexic. Those accidents can happen. Just thought I'd let you know. Thank you so much for watching me. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!